Hi y'all, I'm Melissa and welcome to my channel. Oh my word, Millie. So this video was really unplanned and it's really early in the morning here, and I thought before I start work I should whip up this video for y'all because I couldn't wait any longer to unbox these parcels which I got, because these are like 85% of the special orders which I placed back in December. So I finally got them. I'm expecting 3 more books, hence the 85%. And I really couldn't wait without opening this because I was so excited when I got them. So I thought, why not unbox it or open these packages, my special orders with y'all. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy my video and I hope you enjoy the books I got. So I know what they are because I special ordered them, but then I am still excited. I love when things come wrapped. I have no idea. I know I sound like a kid, but then let's get started. So let's unwrap the first parcel. I'll be really sloppy when trying to unwrap stuff because I don't know to unwrap stuff very elegantly or ladylike. Yeah, that's never my thing when unwrapping things. I just didn't want to do this earlier and keep I wanted to do everything while on the video. So yeah, bear with me or stuck with me for a few minutes now. Yeah, seriously, this video is going to be of me struggling to open it very unladylike. Ooh, so it has Finale by Stephanie Garber and I Heart Hawaii by Lindsay Kelk. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And now let's unbox the next one. So I just thought I'll unbox this because it's from the same place. And this is me again going to struggle with another parcel. I don't know. How do people do these unboxing videos so elegantly on other booktube channels? God, I'm still stuck. So not elegant. Ooh, right, I know what these two books are. Well, obviously I know all the books which I have ordered. Seriously, if someone knows how they elegantly unbox something, let me know because I'm making a mess of myself here. So the first two books by Sabaa Tahir, An Ember in the Ashes and Torch Against the Night. So I already have Reap at the Gates and I hope I'll get Storm Beyond the Sky, I think. I can't remember the word. So yeah, I hope I get the fourth book and the fourth and final book of this series. So, oh my god, see how cute they are. See that? Ooh, okay. Now we'll move on to the third and final package. So I think this is the best out of the lot because I am super excited about what is in this package. So before I open it, I know there is a book in here that I was not expecting to have, and a book that was one of my New Year's resolutions. If you saw the video that I posted on the 1st of January, it's one of the books I mentioned there as a New Year resolution, and when I was making that video I had no idea that I'm getting that book, but I'm super excited that they pulled through and they got it even without me asking. So yeah, let's get opening this. So I hope I can unwrap this properly. Okay. Still no, I'm still struggling. Jeez, I hope in the future I'll be good at this. Ooh. Yeah, still struggling. I may never I don't know. I hope I learn someday to unwrap. Okay, so it's wrapped again. Oh my god. I just can't. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I have the Chain of Gold by Cassandra Clare, and it's the collector's first edition. Like, okay, so I can't help it, like I'm so excited. Oh, see, they have like some artwork as well. Oh, that's cool. So you see the artwork. So, oh my god, one of my New Year's resolutions are coming true. I have the Chain of Gold by Cassandra Clare, and I can't stop repeating myself. Like, I'm so excited. And the second book of the Eldest Curses trilogy, the third book will be coming out this year, and so I have the first book, it's the Red Scrolls of Magic, and this is the second, the Lost Book of the White. So I can't wait to get reading this. I hope my book jar picks these books as my next reading in my next reading round. I really hope, because like, how can I wait? So now that we have unwrapped all the 3 packages I had, I thought we'll just have like a quick chat about each book. So first I want to start with I Heart Hawaii by Lindsay Kell. So this is the 8th book of a series, or an 8th and final book of the I Heart series by Lindsay Kell. So if you have watched my previous videos, you all know that I am excited to read this, and I couldn't wait till I get the 8th book. And so the I Heart series follows a girl called Angela Clark and her adventures and her life once she flees her best friend's wedding and goes to New York, and it will follow all the everything that happens in her life, from moving into New York to adjusting to life to starting a new job, and even like getting herself a new relationship. So now I'm so excited that one of my dreams since 2012 has come true, and now I have the 8th and final book of the series, and I finally completed that series. So I can't wait to get reading. For those who are wondering the Goodreads rating for this series, so roughly an average of 4, there is a rating of 4.59 stars for this book. So I surely know I will love them, so I can't wait to get reading. And now we'll go to Finale by Stephanie Garber. So this is the 3rd and final book of the Caraval trilogy. It's about a circus where the audience are the performance of the circus, as far as I know. I hope I haven't read them. I don't read much about books before I start reading, because I don't want any spoilers. Then for those who are wondering the Goodreads rating for this series, as an average it has a 4.42 star rating, which is really good. And I heard a lot about Stephanie Garber and this Caraval series, so I can't wait to get reading this. So next I want to talk about An Ember in the Ashes, the first 2 books, An Ember in the Ashes, A Torch Against the Night. So I'm not taking the 3rd book out because I showed it to y'all in previous videos. So I really don't know much about this book. I just know the storyline, a glimpse of it. So this series follow a girl called Leia, it's L-A-I-A, L-A-I-A, and so she works as a slave in the current reigning regime of her area, and she spies on them in exchange for help from the other opposing party to rescue her brother who is captured. And this series is written by a Pakistani American author, which is really exciting. I have never had books written by an author with an Asian background before, so I'm excited there. And as far as I know, I think the main characters also has like an Asian background, so it's going to be interesting. So for those who are wondering what the Goodreads rating for this series is, so all four books which have been released now, the fourth book was just released in December 2020, and its name is A Sky Beyond the Storm. I got the name wrong earlier, so I just wanted to correct that. I still don't have it. It's really difficult to get it to Sri Lanka. I hope I get it soon. Anywho, so each book has a 4.2, like has a rating of higher than 4.23 stars on Goodreads, so it's highly recommended, so I can't wait to get reading. So I had to keep the best for the last. Both of these are 2020 releases. Like, I'm so excited that I was able to get it. It was so difficult, but I found a way to get it, and I'm so excited. I want to really talk about this because this is like my most anticipated book, but we'll keep it a little and let's talk about this. This book is The Lost Book of the White by Cassandra Clare and is the second book of the Eldest Curses trilogy by Cassandra Clare and Wesley Chu. And this follows the High Warlock Magnus Bane and Alec Lightwood, and it like this series has different adventures between those two, and I'm like really excited because Magnus Bane is a character that I loved from the Infernal Devices trilogy, from the Mortal Instruments series. Like sometimes I have a huge crush on him because it's Magnus Bane. So this trilogy or this series has an overall rating of 4 and higher in Goodreads, and this book has a 4.06 rating. So okay, enough of the anticipation. Let's go to this. The Chain of Gold by Cassandra Clare. This is the first book of the Last Hours series. It's also a 2020 edition, and I really wanted to read this year, and I had no idea that I was getting it, like I said, and I'm so thankful that the lady from the place I got the Lost Book of the White pulled through, and she just randomly messaged me and she was like, hey, we got the collector's edition and I thought of you, and I was like, yes, and that's how I just reacted to her message. And like I had to get it, and I had no idea of this when I was filming the New Year's resolutions book tag video which I released on the 1st, and it's just, oh my god, 2020 is just going to be amazing for me. I can't wait to get reading. I just said 2020 when it's 2021. Oh my word. Okay, I'm just lost in this book. So anyway, that's me mumbling things. So anyway, coming back, this book has a 4.48 star rating on Goodreads, and people who have read this or read the ARC, the Advanced Reader's Copy, have loved this, and I did not want to read much about this because I know it follows the children of Tessa Gray and James Carstairs, so two of my favorite characters, and like I love the Infernal Devices, so knowing that there's a continuation, a bridge from that and the Mortal Instruments was like really exciting. So it follows the story of Cordelia Carstairs, Tessa's and James' daughter. I can't wait to get reading, and oh my god, it's the collector's first edition. Yeah, okay. So these are my special order book hauls which I ordered early December, and I finally got them amidst all the COVID-19 situations and the shipping restrictions. Like I finally got them. I'm so thankful for the people who got these books down for me. I will do a video in the future about where I get my books from most of the time. and places I recommend to get the books. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I know you were stuck with me trying to elegantly unbox these packages. Anywho, if you have read these books or if you have heard about these books, please feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments down below and let me know if you enjoyed reading these books, if you have read it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified when I upload my other videos. Please don't forget to watch these recommended videos. Until I see you next week in my next video, this is me signing off. So stay safe. Bye from Oh My Word.